Hi everyone, I hope you're doing great. Today we are going to learn some new words in English and in Russian language. So, today our first lesson we're going to start with domestic animals. Let's get it done. Rabbit, 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 кролик. Dog, 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 собака. Cow, 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 корова. Turkey, 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 индюк. Goat, 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 козел. Hen, 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 курица. Cock, 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 петух. Horse, 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 лошадь. Goose, 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 goose. Camel, 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 верблюд. Cat, 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 кошка. Donkey, 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 осел. Pig, 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 свинья. Mouse, 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 мышь. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Ovets, ovets. Thank you guys, that's all for today, and I hope you will join to the next lesson, which we are going to learn some wild animals. See you soon.